broccoli, that's what I forgot. Oh, and the noodles. Okay, yeah. That's fine. Guess he's been ID'd. Gosh, in the rain, hot miles away. So right, I was parked miles away.
Yeah, a lot longer than you do. You know?
Yeah, I'm like 17 in that picture. I should probably update it.
There you go, it's going to be a
Thank
pain.
you very much. What an absolutely miserable day it is. I mean, no one needs this. Actually, that's a lot of people need this, and I'm very happy for those people. But I don't need this. So, I've just popped to Aldi, get some supplies and all that. I was going to go busking today, of course, but that's off the cards. So I got wine instead. Just picked up some dinner for me and Ads, and some other bits that we need. But that's going to go in the chiller right away. And there's not much else planned for today. Yeah, boring stuff. I do though need to unbox my diesel heater that I showed you in the last vlog. Dad's going to install that this week, which is super exciting. Not that I've got any power to get it all running, but he's going to install it anyway. I need to unbox it so I can see how much cable I've got and let him know if we need to pick up any more. You may as well just see the whole thing, the whole unboxing, haven't you? Yeah, I'll do that for you. What have we got here then? Did I even unbreak this properly? Oh yeah, I did. Ah, it's like Christmas! Whoa. That. So we got a large milk carton. We have got a metal plate. A bit of light reading. Oh, something really heavy that I can't get. Oh, Ian. Where's the knife? You call that a knife, Sheila? Ooh, bubble wrap and everything. Look at that. Nice. Don't know what any of it does. A bullet. A mobile phone. This is one of those like telescopic things that you get for seeing stars and stuff. It smells plastic. And then got another box. Where's my knife? The worst Australian accent ever. There's my knife. Oh, more toys. We got, oh nice, a hip flask, always handy. Oh, this must be, I know what this is. This is the Face Mask 3000. Not sure it all goes together, but there's something like for that, in case we get locked down again in the near future. I can only assume. And I guess that's like the head strap bit. What else we got? A headband? Yeah, it must be. Oh, this is for sword fighting. And then you got this, which I have no idea what that's for, but that's okay, I'll just ask my dad. Yes, I am sat on the floor like a kid at Christmas, because quite frankly, that's how I feel with all these toys. Okay, well, we've got to build the thing. There's no cable in here. Is there? I think that was the whole point, wasn't it? There's this. There is cable. This much cable. I don't think that's going to be long enough. Now I've put the shopping away and over my presents. Time to head back to AWOL. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know. I'm having one of those days. I just feel really weird. Yeah. Oh, have I even shown you the strays that I've picked up and welcomed into the home? I'll do that now because they're all looking at me and they probably think I'm being really rude. This is Diego. You know how much I love darts. He wears those glasses because he's kind of got a mean look in his eye. And whatever you do, don't call him quackers because he hates that. Then we got Tallulah. She doesn't say much. She has a bit of a drinking problem, hence the wine that I had to buy earlier. It's all for her. Isn't that right, Tallulah? The hula. And then we've got Barry. Tends to be a bit sheepish. And lunch, just in case. It's lunch. It's feeling really cold. I wish I had some heating. Look at this. On. I have to whack this bad boy up. The diesel heater is all installed. And I'm so excited to get some warmth. Not that I'll ever have power to turn it on. But when I do, it's exciting. We put the Madufri behind the seat. There's my tank, all full up, and the vent is here, which is the only place we could actually put it. But that's okay. It's got a turny thing, like this, and it'll keep my feet warm when I'm sat there, won't it? Yeah. The dancing's making the whole van shake. Yay! I'm excited. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Adam. Bloody boiling in here. Jeez. That's better. Cheers. So I just want to sit down and have a little chat with you because I have been slacking big time on the content and I'm very sorry about that. I've just had nothing interesting to film, if you understand my drift. I mean, the weather's been horrible. It's horrible now. It's rainy, windy, as you can probably hear. It's just been pants and I'm sick of it. If we're being honest, I've been really struggling with just the whole van life thing. I know it's my dream, I don't regret it at all. There's parts of it that I didn't realise would be so difficult, i.e. the power, sourcing water, emptying toilets, just being on your own, having to navigate where to go, and the lack of money. Obviously this is like my first home and I'm a musician and it's been a lot for me. I'm still catching up with all the expenses of breaking down and having to fix things mechanically. It has been like non-stop, as you've seen from the previous vlogs. So yeah, that's been hard. And this weather isn't helping, which I know is the nature of the job and it's my decision and everything like that, but I've been finding it hard. I've been a bit emotional, and this is the groovy life, not the moody life, so that's partly why I haven't filmed anything, because I don't want to put that on you. But I have had a couple of nice days, so we're catching up a little bit, sort of smidge. I have put fuel on. I have been on red just forever, it feels like. And then we just like every day something goes wrong. There's a drama, like water just like peeing through my door. And the window fills up with water. The boiler breaks. Have to find new parts, got no hot water or any water at all for that matter. Things like that. To be honest. And like this is just, it's not what I expected, it's not what I set out to do. I wanted to travel, and I know I can't have it all constantly, you know. I did start off my van life thing travelling, you've seen those vlogs, but yeah, I'm just feeling like a bit of a rut, if that makes sense. A bit deflated and meh. But I'll keep on trying, as always, and I will keep putting videos up, even if this feels like there's a little bit of a break. Don't panic about me, I'm fine, I'll be okay, and I will be back soon, so just hold your horses. But I am going to try and get as much content as possible, of course. I really want this channel to work and make the dream happen. We are there, the dream is happening. It's just it feels like a little bit of a nightmare at the minute. So now giving you a bit of an insight of what's going on up there. I might as well end this vlog here and start the next one on a cheerier note. I also want to say, I know it's not just me that's like struggling. It's the time of year, there's people close to me that are finding it difficult as well, and yeah, it's just, what can you say? But I want to be honest with you. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. Got any ideas? Throw them my way. Stay groovy. Goodbye. Bye.